Hey everyone, welcome back. This is another episode of the 50/50 project. We just got done with the trim restoration, and today we're going to be working on the wheels. Look at used wash soap, red knot super drying towel. The wheels are really rusty, really brake dust covered, kind of scratched up, just real dull and ugly looking. So in honor of this being an HF and keeping it as stock as possible, we're just going to be detailing those wheels. But today we're going to be doing a wheels off, which is removing the wheels, actually detailing the whole undercarriage area, the back side of the wheel, and thoroughly detailing the whole thing. So let's get in it. Now after we've got the wheels off the car, we're going to clean them up. First I'm going to use the Americana Release here. This is an iron and fallout remover. Works really well to remove the brake dust and stuff that's built up on the wheels. Now that iron fallout remover sits for about 20-30 seconds, and that will actually turn purple, breaking down all of the iron particles in the wheels and really just giving them a nice deep clean. Now these wheel woolies here work really well for getting into these deep crevices and channels. You've got a bunch of different sizes here. On these wheels, obviously, we just need the really small ones, but for deeper wheels, aluminum wheels, these types of wheel woolies work really well. And now this brush here actually works really well just to kind of agitate and almost, I guess, massage the entire face of the wheel, really exfoliating the surfaces. Then this brush here works really well for getting deep into the grooves of the wheels and tires. Now I have to clean off the backside too. And then the backside, I'm just going to give it a nice surface clean. It doesn't have to be flawless on this car here because there's not much exposed, but on any car where we do a wheels off detail, we're actually going to go in and really deep clean all the back crevices here. Now while the wheels are drying, we're gonna clean up the wheel wells in here. They're really dirty. They probably haven't ever been clean in the 30 years this car has been around. So we're gonna just spray degreaser all around inside here, scrub it all up, and then rinse it out with the pressure washer. That is dirty. I should detail the whole underside and then take it to a shop and have the car inspected. I'm gonna be like, I'm not really sure what's going on under there, but half of the car is clean. So as a final step before we lower the car down, we're going to spray it with our midnight tire dressing. This is going to allow us to get the whole underside of the tire and everything so you don't have a flat spot appearance when you lower the car down. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, look at that. You gotta let that dry though, because that is not what that's supposed to look like. Now we just finished up the wheel detailing on the CRX. We're actually going to prep it for the Willamette Valley Enthusiasts car meet tonight. It's always at Les Schwab at 7 o'clock, so we're going to hit it up after the car is looking all nice and fresh and show off the new wheels. Now as always, thanks for watching guys. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications.